guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe another month has gone by and still working from home. Now we are nearing fall, which is insane. Honestly, when I kind of go back through August and kind of go through my favorites, it's not a lot changes because we are still at home, still working from home, so I basically have the same routine. But this month was a little bit different because we did go on a camping trip at the beginning of the month, which if you haven't seen already, I actually posted 3 videos about it. So I posted a camping vlog, a get ready with me while camping, and then also what we ate during our camping trip. If you guys haven't seen those yet, I will link them down below. But we went camping and I actually found a couple of favorites, and these products actually came from TikTok. I actually saw them and then I thought they would be perfect for camping, and it turns out it was perfect for camping. So the first one are these portable compression face towels, and it comes in a pack of 100, and honestly I have so many left. I'll try to insert a video of what it looks like. Honestly, it looks like candy. What you do is you put it in water and it expands into just a wet towelette. So this was perfect for camping when like your feet get dirty. I even used it at night when we were washing our face. I just kind of used it to wipe all the face wash off of my face. So that really came in handy during camping. And this next one came in handy for camping, but it's also a product that I will just keep in my purse from now on. Mini sheets of soap. Comes in a cute little pack. I think it came in a pack of 6. So basically it's really cute and compact, but in each one of these is 100 sheets of soap. And it just looks like this. And what you do is you just use water and it starts getting sudsy, and it gets really sudsy. So this came in handy for camping because there was no soap in the bathrooms, and just anytime we wanted to wash our hands, we would just use this. And in general, with COVID and everything, this is just perfect to keep in your purse or your car. I want to keep in your car, it might melt, but it was just really perfect to keep with you just in case you need to wash your hands and there's no bathroom or there's no sink and you just have water bottles. So it would be perfect to just keep with you just to, you know, stay sanitary. Next favorite is a tech favorite, my iPad Pro. I filmed an unboxing video, I just haven't had time to edit it yet, so that will go up soon. Inception. I basically got this iPad, one, to help me with filming because it's a bigger screen. I can see it instead of having the small viewfinder. I'm gonna use it for YouTube stuff. I've been using it to edit my videos, and I've been taking notes on GoodNotes. And also I want to do creative things with Procreate eventually and get a Cricut, so that's another reason why I wanted it. And yeah, so this is basically, I basically got this mainly for like YouTube things, and so far it's been great. I absolutely love it. If you guys are interested, I could do a video on like what apps and what I basically use it for, but I use it every day and it's, I love it so much. Next favorite is my nails. In a couple of favorite videos, I think it was like 2 favorite videos ago, I was talking about polygel, and while I loved it, I didn't know how to properly take them off. So I think I did like 3 or 4 sets of polygel, but literally every time I would be soaking them off and kind of just like peeling them off or like filing them off. And finally my nails were just so thin from me taking them off and putting them back on, so I gave myself a little bit of a break. I would say like a month break, and so I did my nails. This way was super easy. I bought these coffin shaped nails from Amazon. I'll link them down below, but they're basically let me show you. I can't see them because they're clear. Pre-shaped nails, so it's the full nail. So all I had to do was use the base gel coat and UV light to make them stick, cut them, file them, and then I painted them myself. It was a lot faster than polygel. Polygel does take a little bit of time, but I also wanted to mention the colors. So obviously I couldn't pick one color. Olive and June sent me over some nail polish colors, and this is my first time using them. and I'm really impressed. Normally, I'm a gel type of person. One, because I can't, like, I always smudge my nails because I can't wait for it to dry, but I also like the gel finish because it just looks so smooth and so shiny. I'm very impressed. They sent me their fall colors, which is why I couldn't choose, so I just put all of them on. But I'm really impressed because all of these nail polishes, including the light, this light pink color, 2 coats, and it looks like a gel. The finish is like gel, so I'm really impressed. I just brought this one with me because I was super impressed by this one. This one's called HGC. If you guys use this type of polish even in gel, you know that normally it takes like 4 to 5 coats of this. 2 coats, and it's opaque. And as for a skincare product this month, I have been loving the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm, and it's basically a makeup melting balm. I always double cleanse, especially on days when I wear a full face of makeup. I use a cleansing balm or cleansing oil to remove all my makeup, and then I go in with a face wash. And I've been really liking this one because it's really creamy and it smells so good, and it gets all your makeup off, even if you're wearing like super heavy makeup. The last favorite I have is Tinted Moisturizer. I barely wear makeup these days, and when I do, it's very light, very natural. So I've been loving wearing Tinted Moisturizer. This is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer in Natural. If you guys saw my ColourPop haul and tutorial, I also just got the ColourPop Tinted Moisturizer as well. So I've only used that one a couple times, but I've been just really into light natural makeup. Keep an eye out. I did just film my Lashify first impressions. Definitely subscribe so you can be notified of my future uploads, because I'm very impressed with this one, and I'm excited to see how that video turned out. That is it for my August favorites. I know that I feel like I don't ever have too many favorites, but that's just because I feel like I just do the same thing every day. I have a vlog for August to go up if you guys are interested in seeing that as well. It's from the very beginning of August, or actually before we went camping, so before camping. So comment down below what your favorite thing of August was. I'm excited for this month because I have a lot of new products that I'm trying out, so hopefully some of those will come into September favorites, which is crazy to think about. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. So hopefully I don't know what I'm saying. My light turned off. When did it turn off? Basically on, not today, use it at I also, yeah.
Are you on TV?